Hello, and welcome to Great Garden. Would you like to turn your peace lily from wilted, yellowing, and struggling into a healthier, greener plant? Today, I'll share a simple recipe using common ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen to help your plant recover, grow vigorously, and encourage it to produce more leaves and more flowers. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is not water the base of the plant right away. The first step is to inspect the leaves and the root system. If the plant has many old, yellow, or wilted leaves, use a pair of pruning scissors to trim them away. This helps the plant reduce unnecessary nutrient consumption, focus its energy on the healthy leaves, and encourage stronger development of new leaf shoots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area and allow it to rest. Now, we'll prepare a nutrient solution for the plant. Do you have any turmeric powder at home? Turmeric powder is not only a common kitchen spice, but also a natural ingredient that helps support the growth of peace lily plants. First, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a glass. Then add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and stir thoroughly. Turmeric powder contains curcumin and many antioxidant compounds that help inhibit the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. Stir thoroughly until the turmeric powder is completely dissolved in the water. This allows the active compounds to disperse evenly, creating a stable solution that the plant can absorb more effectively. Finally, let the solution steep for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain out all of the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any peace lily tips. Add 1 liter of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution. First, dip a soft cotton pad into the turmeric solution. Then gently wipe both sides of each peace lily leaf. This helps remove dirt and some of the pathogens remaining on the leaf surfaces, while creating better conditions for the leaves to carry out photosynthesis more efficiently, helping the plant recover more quickly. If you're enjoying these plant care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective gardening advice. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Next, pour the turmeric solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire canopy. The compounds in turmeric help inhibit fungi and bacteria on the surface of the plant, while reducing the risk of disease spreading. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Next, pour the remaining turmeric solution into a watering can and gently water around the base of the plant. The solution will gradually soak into the root zone, helping protect the roots from harmful fungi and creating favorable conditions for healthy root development. Any remaining solution can be poured into a clean spray bottle, tightly sealed, and stored in the refrigerator. Stored this way, the solution can maintain its quality for about 3 to 5 days. Whenever needed, simply take it out and spray it on other plants. In addition to Peace Lily, I also use this solution on snake plants to help keep the leaves healthy and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Results. After just a few days of care, the Peace Lily will gradually recover and become healthier again. The leaves will become greener, glossier, and more upright instead of drooping. When the plant begins producing new leaves and healthy white roots appear, it is a sign that the root system has recovered and the plant is absorbing water and nutrients effectively. With continued proper care, the plant will continue to grow vigorously and soon produce lush green foliage. If you have a peace lily in a similar condition, try following each step in this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your results. I always enjoy reading everyone's plant recovery stories. See you in the next videos on Great Garden.